You just have to do it. You just have to get out in nature. Here are the ice plants along the beach, keeping the sand where it's supposed to be, performing a barrier between the parking lot and the beach. No lifeguard on duty. The beach is pristine. It's natural. And it's an event that happens every day. No matter where you are, there are events that happen every day. And I encourage you to go out and participate. Get out of the drywall, get out of the concrete, get out of the wood, get out of the paper mache, out of the car, and come out and visit what Mother Nature has provided. We're enveloped here by some beautiful clouds. I hope you high school biology and earth science people can tell me what kind they are. I remember from high school, cumulus, nimbus, cumulonimbus, and I'm going to look that up to refresh my mind after we're done with this. The islands off the coast can be seen today in Santa Barbara, California, and the cruise ship in the distance is leaving us. Comes up from Southern California every few days. And there you have it. Nature's gifts. Go out and breathe it in. Enjoy this special time of year, which is every day, no matter where you are. Aloha from Sifu Slim. Aloha.